Welcome back to the train channels. We got a CSX train on track 2. Let's roll and check it out. We seen a CSX train before we even got into Wendy's. I knew there was a CSX train sitting over on track 1. Now we got another. Now we use the show.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 88.7 track 2.
Got some refrigerator box cars and a lot of them on there. Looks like we got a mate. Yes, we do have a mate. Yes, we have a train mate. We have a train mate. Like to see the Wide World of Trains car in this thing. It's in a black. It's one of the black hoppers they have on there. Oh, there's gonna be a big video here to start off after that first train of the day. Yeah. It's like the NS train on Terry stream yesterday, like this too. They had a slow train there as well. This has got to be CSX. I know the one. There's the end of the trash train. We'll review the several on the trains in a moment after this manifest gets by. Got a BNSF lumber car right there.
Equipment defect detector.
I don't see many of them now.
8.7.
I had a CN bear table.
No defects. Total axle 3.
On a stack train.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 6. 8.2. Track 2.
I heard 3-something axle. It was 300 some axles when that detector got stopped. This will be pretty much all but a 10-minute or 11-minute video pretty soon. Thanks to that slow train right there. Yeah. I did get a 25-minute video this year, but it was in Bradford. Wait, we got a stop. We got a stoppage here. My goodness, traffic's been stopped. Huh. Looks like there is a stop. Or unless maybe one of the cars must been has an emergency or something. Yeah, there is a stop. I don't have any way on the smartphone to stop that camera version. Or unless I have to use the cracked one, I can, but not this one. Huh? Smartphone can't do nothing. Huh? And a couple cars are turning around. They shouldn't be allowed to do that. Now it start picking up speed now. Huh. There must have been an emergency or something, maybe. I know, like Paul streams, they said that he says it loudly on his Roblox Roblox games. He says emergency, emergency.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost
Might be a critical alarm before that.
8.2. Track
Maybe it was a
2.
critical alarm before
No
that, yeah.
defects. No defects. Total axle 7. 4. End of transmission.
Oh wow.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 7. 5.1. Track 2. No defects. Out.
It did stop it did stop in the begin with, yeah.
You got it pretty quick today. You got the clear in northeast, up and right, and then you can shove west, clear you 50. Alright, clear northeast, here we go.
This is a... There's a stop again. Assemble on that rail train is the CSX W002. 0002 on the rail train.
It's W020 of the second. Got the CSX T4066, initials JD. Track number 2 in an east direction. Looking for permission by a conditional stop. QD 70.1 through 70.0. Roger, Sonny, the man's going to have another eastbound on that south track. You're okay to work where you are, over.
I wish it was Pipe talking. Which one? Doing the voice. I wish it was too.
70.1 to 70.0. Track 2 east authorized.
Yeah, this is almost the end. Right, almost at the rear.
Roger, understood at the W020 CSX T4066 is formed Sonny's permission by conditional stop for us. On track number 2 in an east direction.
This is gonna be a long one. Yeah.
Good readback authorized at 1130. Make a little noise when you come through, over. Absolutely. Okay. Good readback at 1130 hours with the noise. That's correct. You guys have a safe trip. Thank you.
There must have been like 2 trains in the up on the front. That's why it's going slow for us. It was about the margins here. There must be 2 trains went ahead. That's why. But the rear is going to be coming in here in a few moments. Had a nice GP unit. Yeah, there's a GP unit lading on a rail train, but it was a W002 was the symbol on the train. I haven't got a W symbol on a CSX in quite a while. But the rear should be coming in here shortly. This is gotta be CSX, probably M367 or 368 or something. Well, second, the train just went by. After the second train is the manifest. This is the first train that went by. The manifest went by first before the trash train. And here comes the rear. Took so long. This video's taking so long, huh? Bunch of CSX coil cars near the rear. Got a new one. Got 2 new ones. There's the end now. After all that, huh?
10 more. Yeah.
There's the end, huh? There's the end. That was a pretty nice train made in a slow way. Assemble on that train first is the CSX M635. That train originates to Selkirk, New York, terminates to Columbus, Ohio, where it terminates. Second train is the CSX M368. That train originates to Chicago, Illinois, and terminates to Selkirk, New York, where it terminates. Awesome, great train meet all on this Thursday, September 4th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. That was pretty good. Yeah, the train had to stop because there might be 2 trains went by before that third one came, though. And also that rail train we got on the previous video, the symbol is CSX I002. Oh, pretty good train meet there, all on this Thursday, September 4th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube.
Milepost 88.7. Track 2. No defects. No defects. End of transmission.
That's it. Wow. Didn't say how many axles were, because they said end of transmission instead of they skipped the total axle.
Just let me know and I can grab that handheld from you.
So, alright, that's gonna do it for this version in a big way, and we'll be back on with another train. Talk to you later.